Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to play YouTube videos, picture-in-picture, PC. Here's a step guide to play YouTube videos and picture-in-picture on your Windows. First is to turn on your PC and connect to the internet. Open the Google Chrome browser. Go to the YouTube website and make sure to sign in with your YouTube account. Optional, but recommended. Search for the video you want to watch. Click on the video to start playing it. Once the video is playing, right-click on the video player. A small menu will appear. Right-click again. You need to do this twice because the first menu is YouTube's own menu. The Chrome context menu will now appear. From this menu, select Picture-in-Picture. The video will shrink into a small floating window that stays on top of other applications. Drag the floating window to your preferred corner of the screen. For example, on the left. Resize the window by dragging its edges, if supported by a Chrome version. To exit PIP, click the X button on the mini player or return to the YouTube tab and click the video again. You can also install Picture-in-Picture extension by Google from the Chrome Web Store if you want a one-click PIP button and the toolbar. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.